Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Disha Ankalkote from 3rd year of Computer Department of Zeal Polytechnic. I am here to present you all our group project which holds the title Python program to catch multiple exceptions in one line with my two more group members Vaishnavi Biradar and Sandeep Jagtap under the guidance of Sunita Gazre ma'am. Our project has been divided into 6 contents, that is the introduction, main content, multiple exceptions, avoiding bad practices and the conclusion. So beginning with the first content, that is the introduction part. In this article we are going to be talking about a look at the try except clause and specifically how you can catch multiple exceptions in a single line as well as how to use the suppress method. Both of these techniques will help you in writing more accessible and versatile code that adheres to DRY, that is the don't repeat yourself principles. Let's start by looking at the problem. As we can see, this is very wet code. We repeat the same invocation multiple times. Practices like this can make our code reading and refactoring a living nightmare. The main content of a project is multiple exceptions. Rather than writing exceptions one after another, wouldn't it be better to group all of these exception handlers into a single line? If you are just here for a quick answer, it's a simple use a tuple. All the errors contained in the exception line tuple will be evaluated together. Avoiding bad practices, errors should never pass silently, the zen of Python. Try except clauses are probably the most misused pattern in Python. Used improperly, they end up being the glitch of drums and lampposts, being used only when the Python interpreters start caroling the 12 errors of Christmas. It's very tempting to just put a try and bear exception on a problem to make it go away. By doing that, we are effectively sweeping the exceptions under the rug, which is a shame, especially since they can be wonderful, helpful, and recovering from potentially fatal errors or shining a light on hidden bugs. That's why when using except clauses, you should always be sure to specify that errors you know you could encounter and exclude the ones you don't. Letting your program fail is okay, even prefer to just pretending the problem doesn't exist. Errors should never pass silently unless explicitly silent. However, once in a blue moon, when you do get the opportunity to ignore exception handling, you can use suppress. From context-lib, import suppress. With suppress, type error, key error, and index error. The suppress method takes a number of exceptions as its argument and performs a try except pass with those errors. As you can see, it also lets you write multiple exceptions in a single line. The conclusion of our project is, as in this article we have covered how to handle multiple exceptions in a single line, we have also briefly gone over some bad practices of ignoring exceptions and use the suppress function to suppress exceptions explicitly. So yeah, that's all about our project. Grateful for your attention. Thank you.